Welcome to the virtual open house. This is 309 Brighton Drive in Edmond. It's located on a cul-de-sac and it's located right near North High School and not too far from UCO. So let's take a look inside. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it as we go. This is a brand new garage door. It's insulated, so that's nice too. This house has been updated quite a bit. It's got some new windows, new light fixtures, new countertops in the bathrooms, new hardware in many places, new light fixtures. So this is the living room. It's got a vaulted ceiling and it's got a built-in shelves, nice big fireplace. You could paint it if you prefer a lighter fireplace. It could be really cool painted also. It's got a new door back there to the back patio. Has new carpet and new paint throughout. There's the staircase going up. It's kind of Brady Bunchish. New light fixture over there. Here's the kitchen. This is the dining room. It's got a wood look tile. And over here is it's like a little hutch, some storage, extra storage there. And then there is where the refrigerator goes. The cabinets are painted white. It's got a built-in microwave, a glass top cooktop, oven, as well as new countertops and a new backsplash and new hardware on the cabinet doors. And it's got a brand new dishwasher. It also has a pantry, which is also very nice. And then over here is the laundry room. So that's where your dryer goes. There's some storage up top, which is extra nice. And there's where your washing machine goes. Also nice. While we're over here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the garage. This is the garage. It's got that insulated garage door. It's a large garage, and then it has a door to the outside. So back inside. When you come and tour it in person, we'll try to have all the lights on and all the doors open so that nothing really has to be touched. I think it should be safe for everyone. So over here is some extra storage, little linen closet, has some drawers. And then over here, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. It's a pretty good sized bedroom, probably 10 by 10. Has a good sized walk-in closet with new hardware. So lots of room to hang your clothes. And then over here, let me go ahead and go to the next bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. It's a nice new ceiling fan. Has two closets in it. And so you've got two decent sized closets, lots of hanging room, lots of storage room. That's good. And this one faces the backyard. So back out here, this is the hall bath. So it's got a new sink, new countertop. It's got new hardware on the sink, little towel rack. It's got some new tile on the floor. And the tub here. And then it has the cabinetry above the toilet. That's nice, a new light fixture up above. And it's got the, where you can close off the door to the toilet and the shower, which is also very nice to have. So then we'll go upstairs. It's got nice big windows up here. The room is actually pretty light and bright, so this is the living room again. Up the stairs to your private master. You've got a ceiling fan here. And then we'll go ahead and go straight into the master bedroom here. So we have the master bedroom here. Good sized room. I'm thinking this one maybe 14 or 15 square feet by 14 or 15 square feet. I don't have the light on in here, but this is the closet. Plenty of room, like a his side and a her side, as well as the built-in drawers right here. You could even put another rod across there if you wanted to, or put some shelves in there for sweaters and shoes and things. And then over here is the master bathroom. New light fixture, new countertop. countertop and sink and hardware. It's got extra storage here, which is really nice also, because I am a firm believer you can never have enough storage. So, and then through here is a new toilet, maybe a new tub, but nice good shaped tub. And then some new tile up there and some new tile on the floor. And that's basically it. The house has been updated quite a bit. It's quite pretty. It's got the new modern gray colors. And you should come take a look. Like I said, if you do, we'll have all the doors open and sanitized and all the light switches on so that you don't have to touch anything when you come in. I hope you come by. Have a great day. Stay safe. I neglected to mention the backyard. So back here, backyard, it's a good sized backyard actually because it's very wide. It's not super deep, but it's pretty wide. So there's the side yard. Some of the fence, a lot of the fence is newer, in pretty good shape. So this is it. It goes all the way over to that fence over there, so it's actually pretty wide. It could use some grass, that's to be honest. And I also neglected to mention in the other part of the video, the first part, that the roof is getting a brand new roof on it, as well as getting some of the siding needs to be repaired, and so the seller is also fixing the siding and painting the house. So this is the other side. There's a little bit of trash here. The seller will be getting rid of that. So it has some shade and some protection from the sun. And it's also not a bad size yard. It just really needs some grass. So if you're a handy dandy grass person, this might be a great place for you too. So, okay, stay safe, stay well, and come to see it in person. Hope to have you over soon.